Hey guys, it's been a while. It's been a really long while. Oh, hi Rio. What were you doing? It is Saturday, a gloomy Saturday. Can you see? No, you can't see, it's bright. Can you see? It's gloomy. And it's threatening to rain. And I'm home with the boys. And actually Amy's home with the boys today too. But she's not feeling well. So after feeding them this morning, she put them in their boppies, left them on the bed, and said, I'm going downstairs, I'm shutting the door, and I'm going to sleep for a few hours. So I'm on daddy duty for a little bit. I've been watching some vlogs and I'm like, I haven't vlogged for a while. I'm making some bottles if you haven't noticed. I have two cranky pants little boys. Oh, hi. I was just coming to see you. You're out of focus though. How you feeling? You gotta go potty? You ready to be a mommy again?
No.
It's time for you to be a mommy again.
I've only been off mommy duty for like an hour.
An hour? You've been down there for 4 hours.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have.
It's like 11.
Since 11?
No, I went on mommy duty since at 10:30.
No. No.
10:30.
You've been down here at least 2 hours.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
I don't care. You got your nap. She thinks that because she's not feeling well, that she can just do whatever she wants. I don't think that's fair. You're the mommy. They're not crying. I'm kind of shocked. You guys should check out my new Star Wars toys. Or not Star Wars, my Legos. I got Fire Truck. I got a Marvel set. I got this little one with Gollum, which is out of focus. Focus! Ah! And yesterday, I got the Sarlacc pit and this. Okay, so Amy's been crying. Tell us why you're crying.
I was so excited since yesterday. I'm like, sweet. I'm gonna go downstairs at like 10:30 and I'm gonna sleep for hours and feel better.
It's not in your nature to sleep for hours.
I slept for like an hour.
You're a Logston, you're not a Crapo. I like your glasses.
Thank you.
And we got these new glasses. They're pretty, huh? Mm-hmm. I picked them out, look, they got bling on the sides. Amy's got a cold and or allergies.
Oh.
Oh, you done spilled.
I done spilled.
Fail.
I spilled my orange juice. My orange juice. It's just not fair. Why are you so close to me?
Oh, my little sleepy guys. They're watching YouTube.
These two troublemakers almost caused me a great deal of pain as my foot came down.
Chris Perla put them to sleep.
They were underneath the desk. Apparently had fallen down there.
We have a problem on our hands, don't we? Don't we? You, sir, have a stinky butt. He has a stinky butt. What do you have to say for yourself? Huh? What do you have to say for yourself? Yeah? Is that so? Is that so? Can you smile? Huh? Can you give Dad a smile? Give Daddy a smile. Give me a smile. Yeah. Should we change your butt? Let's change your butt. Whoa. So I just want you to know that you are currently experiencing the most exciting thing that has happened so far today. I threw on a pair of slippers and a hat and some shorts to go get a hamburger. I'm sitting at the drive-thru and I'm pretty sure this is the slowest line I've ever been in. $1.76. Thanks, bro.
Hello.
Hi.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Hi, Mr. Liam. You don't know whether to smile or to cry, do you? Do you?
Where's the smile?
Peekaboo. Hello. Did you get that one?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Say yes. We've gotten lots of smiles today.
Yeah. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Say, I can smile for the camera.
Come on, you're on camera. You're supposed to smile now. Good hearing. Good hearing.
Sorry. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. Oh, goodness, it's funny. Oh, goodness, it's funny. Oh, goodness, it's funny. Goodness, it's funny. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yeah. It's the collarbone. You've got a ticklish collarbone. Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
We have awakened from our nap, and we're red-faced and ornery. Aren't we, boys? Say, Liam got to see Grandma and Grandpa. And Aiden, you were asleep, buddy. You were asleep for a long time. Yeah, you were asleep. What are you giggling at over here? What are you giggling at? Huh? You haven't had much screen time today, bud. How come? You're just gonna sit there and look at Daddy, huh?
Hi, Daddy.
I'm going to Wally Mart to see if I can find a magic bullet for Amy. One of those blender thingies so she can start making baby food. Because these guys are going to start eating food soon, huh? Are you going to eat some food? Are you going to eat some food? Yeah, you're excited. How about you? You've been kind of quiet. What's going on? You're still asleep, aren't you? You're still kind of asleep. Your brother's still on the show. Yeah. Can you smile? Huh, Aiden, can you smile for Daddy? Can you smile? Yeah. Oh, you're gonna laugh? You are a show stealer. You're a show stealer. You're a show stealer. Are you a show stealer? Say no, I'm just cute. I'm just cute. Yes, sirree. I'm just cute. Alright. Well, it's time to feed you guys some afternoon food. Did you know that? Time to feed you guys some afternoon food. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? You pulling faces? Are you pulling faces? Oh yeah, is that so? Is that so? You're wiggling your way out, bud. You're wiggling your way out. That's oh, that's better. Hi. Hello. Weren't we just here a minute ago? I think we were last time we were vlogging. Yeah. Is that so? You've been making a lot of noise. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, are you a little noisemaker? Yeah. I took a nap and it was wonderful, and now I have to be responsible. Amy went to go drop off some Redbox movies and get us some dinner. We've been eating very unhealthily lately. I know. And I made a successful trip to the Wally Mart, and I remember, every time I go to Walmart, I remember why I hate going there. Oh, it's like it attracts a certain caliber of person the kind of person that you just shake your head at. And I decided that their motto should be, oops, gotta get this right here. The motto at Walmart should be, check your brains and your manners at the door, because that's what it was like today. Look at that face. Look at that face. Feeding babies. This is how she does it. She's a miracle worker. Right?
No, I've done better.
Is he gonna puke?
I don't know.
Ah, poor guys. Alright, it's time to go to bed. Can you say goodnight to everybody? Say goodnight. We love you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.